It's fucking raining outside, like, see? Ish. And so, like the fuck, we don't like rain, right?
Right.
Yes, it's so boring and we're all wet, and my Vans shoes are going to be wet like me all, and those all apartments are safe and we're not, we're here. We're here, okay? Like, we don't know what to do, so we just need to wait rain to stop, and I don't know.
And see you later.
No, not yet. Until this fucking rain stops, we're not going to cut this video. So, this is definitely going on YouTube. And I am on this fucking bike, like really. Where's my mind? There. We're just morons. See, this is fucking rain, and definitely you can hear this fucking rain, so why shouldn't we go to your apartment?
Because it's raining, I think.
Oh. Well, if you run. Oh no. You can't run with your roller skates. So we're stuck here until this fucking rain is finished. So we're so bored. And yep,
It's 21st of July and it's raining.
it's killing us. I mean, really.
Like really?
Like whatever.
It looks so cool.
It's not, it's rain. What is there cool?
Look.
Look. Kawaii. Kawaii. Right.
Like really?
I have a message. I got message from your father. So it's not big deal.
I'm your father.
So we're going now because the rain is going to start us, and